What's good, Motor Squad? We are back with another video. We are in here. It's grocery shopping day for the house. As you guys can see, Manda is over there. She's getting the stuff. Man, guys, it's a snowstorm, it's a blizzard, whatever is going on here in New York. So everybody's in the stores right now, you know what I mean? Everybody's getting the shopping on. And we're just here, guys.
Shopping
for this
guys.
Snowstorm. All right, guys. Here we go. Nelson is over here. He's picking out the meat. He's the chef, so he's the one that picks out all the meat, right? So, all right, guys. So we'll be right back to you guys in a minute. Stay tuned. No seeds, no real, right, baby?
Yep. No seeds. Still good.
No good for you. All right, guys, so we just taking you guys on a day with us shopping, food shopping, getting some food for the house. Right now we are in BJ's. We are in BJ's. There he is over there. He's probably tired of us, like, these guys gotta take a camera everywhere they go. Right? Right, Theo? Theo is tired of us. He's tired of us with the camera, guys. Alright, guys, we're about to check out. Look at our cart. It's full, right? It's full enough. We're about to go to another store anyway.
Go to another store to get more.
Yeah.
You guys can't even see me smiling, but.
Alright, guys, so it's a little something.
Yes.
So make sure our belly full. Where we going, right here? Alright, so we're going right here. Guys, so tell me how much you guys think this is right now. I say it's about like 120. How much you think, baby?
170.
I say about 115. Let's see, guys. Let's see. So 235. Alright, guys, so we about to exit. We go into one more store before we head home. As you guys can see outside, it's looking crazy. Here we are, guys. It's snowing outside like crazy. Snowstorm. And this is where we are at.
As you guys can see, we're out here in this snow. To me, it's not that bad. But y'all about to be like, it's not that bad, but your fur is moving. But we are on our way to the next store, which is February. And something always happens over here.
All right, guys, we are back. We are
Finally.
back, and we're finally back at the house. We finished shopping, guys. It was a task. It was a real task today because it was really like snowing and hectic. Everybody all over the place. You know what I mean?
It wasn't too bad though.
No, it wasn't really that. I'm just over exaggerating.
It's freezing
guys.
outside though.
But it's cold as hell, guys. So we about to get to packing these stuff up, man. We got 2 full carts, man. So we about to, you know,
I don't want to do it.
get it cracking, get everything put away, and it's a wrap, guys.
We will see you at our next.
See you guys at the next video.